I'm going to show you how to install a hollow wall fastener. We have our standard sheetrock wall. Basically, this is how the fastener looks when it comes in the package. After you've marked your hole on the wall or marked the position where your brackets are going to go, I like to use an awl to push in and see if I'm going to hit a stud. Now in this case, I've not hit a stud because the awl went all the way in, so I know there's no stud there. So next what I want to do is enlarge the hole with a 1/4 inch drill bit. A 1/4 inch drill bit makes the perfect size hole for the hollow wall fastener. I take the fastener, the first thing I do is back the screw out part way, so the end of the screw, or the end of the bolt, is pretty flush, pretty even with the end of this casing. Next, I want to put it in the hollow wall fastening tool. It goes right in the front like that. Next, I insert it into the wall like so. Once I have it in the wall, I squeeze the handle, and you can actually feel it tightening up behind the wall. That tells you that it's fully formed. The next step is to remove the screw, put it through your bracket, and then with your cordless screwdriver, just run it up till it touches, and you're done. This fastener works great for many different types of window treatments, and you can also use it around the house hanging pictures, mirrors, or anything like that. Today we're going to show how to remove a hollow wall fastener from a wall. They're very easy to remove, yet many people aren't familiar with the technique. The way these are made, underneath this collar, there are 3 little spot welds that hold the collar in place. Here, here, and here. Because the shape of the collar, you can actually take a pair of needle nose pliers, push it into the wall, and pull out on part of the collar. In pulling this out, you're actually providing something you can grab. Once it's out, grab it sideways and pull it right off. Then all you have to do is just push the remaining piece through the wall and you're done. As I insert the needle nose pliers into the wall, I want to put it underneath the edge so I actually can bite onto it, have something to grip and pull up. Once you have it pulled back, just grab it with the side of your pliers and just roll, and you should be able to pull it right off. Like so. And then all you have left is just the same 1/4 inch hole you started with, and you can just push the fastener right through the back of the wall. We have our hollow wall fasteners. This is our plastic plugs. The plastic plugs come in 4 different sizes for number 6 and number 8 screws. Each one holds a little more than the other. These are perfect for real light applications where there's not a whole lot of movement, such as you would have with, say, a valance. Next, we have our drill-in fasteners. These work much like a screw, except when they go in, they have a place on the top where you can actually run a screw in to secure a bracket. Again, these are only made for light treatments like a valance. Nothing that has any motion like a Roman shade or a blind would have. Next, we have our hollow wall fastener. This is the most common fastener used. This is perfect for 90% of the installations, especially when it's just going into a wall. We also have an installing tool that works perfect with this, and we'll show this in another video. Next, we have our toggle bolts. For these, we have 2 different styles. We have a conventional one with a wing that's spring-loaded, and then we have a drill-in toggle bolt. This one actually has a drilling tip on the front. With this one, it drills its own hole into the sheetrock. Then when you insert the screw, it releases the wing. This wing is adjustable, meaning as you run the screw in, it will adjust for whatever your wall thickness is. These are the strongest holding fastener of the group, and these are also perfect for any installation into a ceiling where you have so much weight pulling straight down. All these fasteners are available in our installer sample pack.